Wall mixer is a sanitary fitting which is fixed on the wall and it mixes hot and cold water, hence the name wall mixer. Wall mixers are very easy to use. In wall mixers, we can control the flow of the hot water and cold water so that we get the water at the desired temperature, whereas in the olden taps we could not control that. And wall mixers are very easy to use by children and adults and senior citizens also. And wall mixers are much safer than the conventional taps. The added advantage of a wall mixer is we can also connect a overhead shower or a hand shower with the wall mixer. The different types of wall mixers which are available are wall mixer with overhead shower, which is also called as a 2-in-1 wall mixer, because the output of the water is from the spout and from the overhead shower which is connected to the ceiling or to the wall. And then we have wall mixers which have overhead showers plus a hand shower. These are called as 3-in-1 wall mixers because the output is from 3 different places. One is from the spout, one is from the overhead shower, and one is from the hand shower. Here are some of the things which you need to keep in mind before selecting the wall mixer. Number 1 is material. Brass is the main raw material which is used in any wall mixer, and on brass it is chromium plated. Hence it is also called as chromium plated fittings or CP fittings. The second aspect is design of the wall mixer or the look of the wall mixer. Wall mixers are available in various designs. Basically, the knob of the wall mixer is what is different from each other, and we can go for a wall mixer which will complement our look of the bathroom as per the decor that we have done in the bathroom. We have more than 20 types of wall mixers which had different aesthetic appeal which you can complement your bathroom, and we have wall mixers starting right from 1800 rupees. We have wall mixers available with us in the economical range, in the mid range, and in the premium ranges. In economical ranges, we have ranges like Tizu, Varna, Torsa, Spiti, and in the mid range we have ranges like Kaveri, Jhelum. And in the premium ranges, we have ranges like Nira, Nalini, Nyor, Dras. For all these wall mixers, we provide a warranty of 10 years, and we have a skilled team of technicians who take care of all the after-sale service faced by any customer. I have attached the catalog in the description, and in case you have any further queries, then kindly get in touch with me so that I can help you select the best wall mixer for your bathroom. For more information and latest updates regarding bathroom fittings, kindly subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends also. Thank you.